Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Share My Location Not Working issue on iPhone. Now the first thing you need to do is to head to your control panel right here, and then you can just tap on the airplane mode and then just tap it back on, and this will give your network settings a refresh, and then you can check if the Share My Location is working. Now, if it's still not working, you can head to your phone settings. So right over here. Now we're just gonna make sure first that we're logged in or signed in to our Apple ID. And then once we're done with that, we can just look for privacy and security over here. And then we're just gonna make sure that location services is toggled on. And if it's off, just toggle it on. Then check if your Share My Location is already working, and if it's not, we can head back to our general settings and then look for Find My iPhone. So right over here, we're just gonna make sure that Find My iPhone is toggled on or enabled, as well as Find My Network, and then Send Last Location. We should also ensure that Share My Location right here is enabled. Now once that's done, we should be able to use our Share My Location feature on the iPhone. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.